Now we have a very short lesson. Sometimes you need to break connection between copies of your component and the initial component. For example, you created a component, then you use it a couple times, and somewhere you just want this object to be placed at your banner or whatever you want, and you don't want it to be related to the initial component. You just want to fix it and to look exactly as it is right now, so you have to break the connection between them. You can do this with a command. It's named Detach instance. So we have a component and we have its copy. Let's make sure, yes, it's copy of this component. And if I change it, of course, it will change over here. And I want this copy to be disconnected from this component, so I just right click it and click Detach instance. As you see, it's no more a copy of a component, so I can do whatever I want with this one, and my copy isn't affected anymore. So you can use this if you want to make some changes or you want to create a new component. For example, you have this one and you want to create another component based on this, but have to detach it first. I detach this. For example, I'll do this, and I want to make it more rectangle. Okay, like this, and I want round corners. And now I click create component. So I have two separated components, and I could do it only after I detached this copy from its initial component. And now let's see what happens if I have a copy of a component, but I deleted the initial component. So let's make a new component over here. Make it component, then I make a duplicate. Okay, and now I delete this one. Now I want the initial component to be restored. Actually, there is an option for this. If I select this component, there is a button Restore Component. As you see, there is create a copy. And I don't see this button in this copy because this component isn't deleted. But this component doesn't have this duplicate doesn't have its component, so that's why I can restore it. Actually, it's been restored. Another thing, for example, I have this copy. Let's make one more, and I paste it somewhere. And I have a big project and I don't remember actually where is my initial component. In this case, I can find the initial component by clicking this icon. It's an icon of a component, so I'll click and go to main component. So I'm here. This is pretty useful when you copy components from one page to another. This still works, but after that you're looking for the initial component, you can't find it, you just click it and go to the main component. And for example, if I delete the main component here, then I go to another page and I want to restore component. It's been restored and my focus goes right here where the initial component is. So it's pretty useful.